Greetings and salutations, everybody. Welcome to our first QGIS tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to be learning something very simple yet very important, and that is how to add shapefiles, rasters, and tables into QGIS. So let's get straight into it. The first method is very simple, and it's simply to go onto your file explorer, select the raster, the table, and shapefile that you want to add. You can simply drag them, drop them, and QGIS can read it in. You can see that this black over here over Africa is basically WAPOR data of evapotranspiration, and then the pink behind it is the countries, that is the vector shapefile, and then the table is the GDP of every country from 2020 to 2025. And to see that that is working, we can go open attribute table and Bob's your uncle, it's working. The next way is also very simple if this way doesn't work, and that is very similar. You click on layer to your navigation panel, then you scroll down to add layer, hover over until you can see add vector layer. We are going to navigate to our vector layer in our file explorer. So then we're going to go source, click these three little dots for browse, and then we are going to navigate for our vector layer, which in this case is the countries which I just showed you. So we click on that, and also one cool thing about QGIS is that it can load zipped files. So we found it, press open, press add, and there you can see it's added. Now for the raster, similarly we are going to go layer, add raster layer, then we are going to browse for our raster layer. And in this case, our raster layer is the WAPOR map. We're going to click OK, open, and then we are going to press add, and there we can see that it's added very nicely. Lastly, for the table, similarly to the previous two, we are going to go layer, add delimited text layer, which is our CSV file. We are going to navigate via source over here. We are going to look for it. Oh, there it is, our GDP from 2020 to 2025. We're going to press open, and then we are going to make sure that no geometry is clicked, and then we'll press add, and then it has successfully added into our QGIS project. And that is it for today. Thank you very much, folks. I will see you for the next video.